The Freemium Model, brought to you by www.marketingmainevent4.com and www.marketingmainevent4.com/blog. Today we're going to discuss membership marketing and how it's almost a requirement for a successful website. If you're selling anything online, whether it's ebooks, digital products, or anything of that sort, then the membership system we discussed below can deliver those products in the most effective and profitable way. Business success means avoiding churn and increasing revenue per customer. To be a business success, you'll need to avoid customer churn or turnover. If you get 100 new members, but 99 of them quit after 30 days, it'll be hard to survive for your business. In a membership context, it's the period of time someone will keep paying their membership fees. So while it's vitally important to constantly acquire new customers, it's just as important to maximize the revenue of each customer you already have. So what we're talking about is the back end and the marketing funnel you have in place. With a subscription membership model where you have a recurring billing system in place, the back end is the recurring fee itself. The issue becomes keeping people as members at your site. Let's examine how this plays out in the context of three popular business models. Traditional product sales. First, let's consider the traditional internet marketing, publishing, and sales model, which is used by most online business owners. In this model, you create a product and a sales page, drive the traffic to that page, and hope the traffic converts into sales. The average for that conversion rate is somewhere around 1 to 2%. Assuming you have a $37 product at a 2% conversion rate, it means that for every 100 people you send to that page, you're going to sell 2 of those products at $37, $74 total, and you'll have a visitor value for each of those 100 people of 74 cents. Recurring membership. The average conversion rate for a recurring membership site is often less than the traditional one-product sales model. It's generally 1% or less. So let's now assume that you're going to charge $17 per month rather than the original $37 product price point. But we start to encounter churn with monthly billing. In our experience, the average membership stick rate is between 3 to 5 months. So for every 100 visitors, we'll get 1 membership sale, and that customer can be expected to stick around for approximately 4 months. That means you're going to generate $68 in revenue from that one sign-up. 4 times 17 equals 68. That gives you an average visitor value of 68 cents. When you use the membership model, you can also put back-end offers in place. So once you already have a paid member, you can assume additional back-end sales and commissions from that member around $5 per month. Now you have that one member, and they've paid the $17 for the first month, will likely do so for about 4 months, and they're also worth an additional $5 per month over that same period of time. So now you have $88 from that sign-up, and the average visitor value for the 100 visitors is 88 cents. Single payment membership. The next structure is a paid membership with a single payment. Your conversion rate will increase because you're asking people to make less of a commitment, and the membership generally has a higher perceived value than a simple product sale. You can expect a conversion rate of 2.5 to 3%. Because there's less commitment, you can charge more, still keep the conversion rate up. So let's assume that a one-time fee of $37 instead of that $17 recurring. Now your churn goes way down. The customer already has paid, so very few of them will actually terminate their membership. You'd be safe in calculating an average stay of 12 months. So the calculation is as follows. You're going to see a 3% conversion rate, and the total one-time fees are going to be 3 times 37, which is $111. Factoring in the back-end offers, $5 a month per paid member over 12 months, and you're looking at an additional $180 in back-end sales and commissions for a total revenue of $291. This brings your visitor value up to $2.91. But there's an alternative model that blows all three of these out of the water when it comes down to making money from you. The freemium model. The freemium model. The freemium model is basically a free membership with an upgrade offer. It works like this. You put a free offer in place on the front end of the site. In a later article, we'll discuss how to make this free offer not appear to be free and why you want to do this. And you're likely to see a front-end conversion rate of around 35%. If you then place a compelling offer on the back end, you can see a conversion rate between 5 and 10% on that offer. It can be higher, but let's use 10% for our analysis. This means that for every 100 visitors, you're going to get 35 free members, then a 10% conversion rate on these 35 members on the back end. So what you end up with, on average, is 31.5 free members and 3.5 paid members. On your front end, that's 3.5 times $37, which equals $129.50. The paid member back-end value is $5 times 12 months times 3.5 people, which is $210. The free member back-end value is $1.50 times 12 months times 31.5 people, which is $567. Adding these amounts, and you have $129.50 plus $210 plus $567 equals $906.50. So your average visitor value is $9.06. That's a huge difference from the more traditional models we discussed above and more than 10 times higher than the most common product sales model. Discover how you can have a complete turnkey income solution, integrated multiple profit streams, easy point-and-click web businesses, multi-million-dollar proven results by going to www.marketingmainevent4.com and www.marketingmainevent4.com/blog.